So we're just starting out with some breakfast, huh, guys? Gotta be nice and full. And Emberlin's part of the boys. So what'd you have? A banana and some peanut butter and tortilla.
I was gonna have it with cinnamon sugar.
What?
And have it with cinnamon sugar.
Cinnamon sugar. We are on our way to go take some pictures. It's so nice out here. Look at that view. So nice. Oh, look. Hi, Isaiah. We have to bring him with us to take pictures because he is still here. Well, in our hearts. He is on his mission, so at least we'll have some family pictures. So beautiful out here. The weather is nice. It's like 60 degrees. Not cold, not windy. Perfect. Such a pretty golf course that we can take a little bit of pictures. And look at these beautiful rocks. I mean, it's like gorgeous. Look at that background with the mountains. It's just gorgeous. Yeah, do you love this view? Oh, I do. Yeah, it looks so beautiful. Everybody's taking a picture. Did it work? We're just trying to get a cute kid picture and trying to get everybody in.
This is so cute.
Oh man, I'm loving this. This is so cute.
Oh my God.
Look at there's Isaiah in there too. Yes. Hi guys. Is this better? This is better. That is so cool. Now the moms get to hang out. So we're just going to hang out, get a little bit of sun, and just visit. There, now it is. Hey, guys. Are you guys having fun on vacation? Yeah. All right. So should we eat dinner at the house or should we go out to dinner?
Out. Cafe Rio. Cafe Rio. Out. Cafe Rio.
Let's see what's kind of close by. This is what we are so excited about. We are going to be doing a big old Easter egg hunt.
Check this out, you guys.
Look at those. Yeah, those aren't real. They look mighty real, Lene. No, just kidding. So we're putting some glow in the dark sticks into eggs, and it'll be a night, right? It'll be dark, and we'll have some disco ball. It'll be a lot of fun, and we'll take you along. We're doing a little bit of cleanup right now and getting ready for the massive egg hunt that the kids are all looking forward to. And let me give you a little sample. Might have to do a little bit with some disco lights. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. Look at they're getting ready. Yeah. All right, we're hiding eggs now. Dun, 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 da, 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 da. Let's hide them. 4, 3, 2, 1. Ah! What you got, Ezzy? What you got? Awesome! It's like Halloween. Counting up and looking at the loot. What do you think of all your eggs? Woohoo! Look at all this candy. It's like Halloween.
Ethan, Elijah.
Go. Oh, the night show.
Do you have all your consent?
So we are now in day 4 and everybody is cleaning up to go. This has been a wonderful, wonderful vacation. So full of fun and stuff and laughs and games and all that fun stuff. So right now we're just trying to clean up and get ready to go and do some exploring around St. George, and I'll take you along. We're just cleaning up. Aww. Some syrup with your pancake. We're just having our final little breakfast before we head out. Look at all the cleaning, and some of this we're gonna have to toss. So we are all set to go. Every room is cleaned up. You can't even believe that 22 people were living here. We made it grow with so much junk food and lots of fun times and games, and now it is pretty spotless. So we're gonna head out and I'll show you some of the house a little bit on the way out, but we're gonna be heading over to some fun things to do in St. George, and one having to do with some waterfalls. We'll cross our fingers to see if we will be able to find them. I know whenever we've tried to go in the past, it was all dried out and not worth our time. So let's get ready to go. What is this? We have the pool. Do you want to show us your rooms? Oh, yep, they're all clean, huh? There is a remote. Bathroom. Your sister's room, and then this was my room. Yeah. Front door. Thank you, Miss Uriah. So we're on our way to the falls, and it's very beautiful. Nice little scenic drive through St. George. And both Paul and I said, we've never been this way before. So who knew? But look at how gorgeous it looks out here. All this volcanic rock. It's awesome. This is Santa Clara. Here we go. Oh, you're fine. You're fine. But this is how we came down in sandals. But that's all right. It's going to be good.
Caitlin.
Bro, there's shoes caught in it, dude.
Look at this. I don't know if you can hear me, but this is gorgeous. Is that cool, Ezra? Yeah. Look at that. It's only a couple months a year that you can really see this because of the hot desert. It'll dry it all up pretty soon. We just finished our little visit up to the waterfalls, and it was so beautiful. So nice. Very little hiking involved. Maybe like about, I don't know, a couple football fields of walking. Not bad at all. Just make sure you have on some tennis shoes or some better walking gear or walking sandals, because my sandals are a little messed up now, but that's okay. It was such a good time, but the kids are hungry. What a surprise. So I'll show you where we're going. A cheering selection, or a cheering crowd. But which way do I go? The new way or the way that I came down? Look at them. Cuties. Yeah, Chick-fil-A. Look what Chick-fil-A did. They landed some cows just right in the open road.
Open range cows.
Open range. They're tagged though. Along with somebody. Move
off the road.
Aww.
Move over.
Cafe Rio it is. Are you so excited? Yeah. Get the usual. Oh, yeah. A yummy chicken quesadilla for Kobe. chips and queso for Ezra. Paul went with a grilled chicken tostada. Tortilla soup again. I love their soup. So we are now home. We just unpacked the trunk, which in a smaller car doesn't take very long. And as you can hear, already starting laundry. So that's one of my tips is I immediately throw as many clothes as I can from the laundry or from the luggage into the laundry and start it because we all know that that's got a lot of loads, right? So I need to finish unpacking, but that's pretty much it, you guys. That was day 3 and 4 on our friend vacation. We had the best time with Amber and Bobby and Lene and Jason and Tina and Danny, of course. We love going on vacation together. It is so fun. Those families we all get along so well, our kids too. And really, I was just telling the boys on the way home, they did an excellent job. I mean, a couple of little things, but they did great. And I just think it's just, they have a good time, we have a good time. And that is our vacation, our family vacation. So I hope you like it. Give this video a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, I'd love to have you along. But stick around. You just never know what I'll be rolling out next. Bye.